Professional woodworkers spend years learning which tools actually matter and which ones are just marketed junk. Today, I'm revealing the exact 18 Amazon tools that separate amateur projects from professional results without breaking the bank. I've tested hundreds of products and these made the cut for 2025. From preventing dangerous kickback to achieving precision cuts, each tool solves a specific problem. Let's dive in. Bow Products FeatherPRO FP1 Featherboard. First up is the FeatherPRO Featherboard that prevents dangerous table saw kickback. Unlike plastic versions, this uses soft EVA feathers that won't damage your wood while keeping cuts perfectly straight. The Anchor Pro system lets you mount it in seconds. Over 10,000 woodworkers rely on this for safer cuts. It reduces vibration and maintains constant pressure against the fence. For the price, this is essential safety gear that could literally save your fingers from a life-changing accident. REEKON M1 Caliber Measuring Tool. Stop wasting time with tape measures. The REEKON M1 mounts to your miter saw rail and calculates cuts 3 times faster than manual measuring. The digital display shows both inches and metric instantly. Professional contractors use this to eliminate measurement errors that waste materials. Your accuracy improves and projects finish faster. This tool pays for itself after preventing just one costly mistake. If you value your time and want precision cuts every time, this is a game changer for your miter saw station. BGAS NW Bench Dog Clamp Set. Workpieces shifting during cutting or gluing ruins projects. These aluminum bench dog clamps lock with one hand and hold rock solid. Silicone pads protect your wood from scratches while gripping firmly. They fit standard 3/4-inch bench holes and adjust for various thicknesses. At this price for the clamps, you get durability that plastic versions can't match. Whether you're doing edge work, assembly, or routing, these keep everything exactly where you need it for professional results every single time. Arc Grooving Auxiliary Tool. Curved grooves and hinge mortises are nearly impossible without the right jig. This arc grooving tool uses anodized aluminum construction with precision positioning guides. Furniture makers rely on it for cabinet hinges and specialty joinery. It guides your router for perfect curved slots consistently. The lightweight design won't fatigue you and the corrosion-resistant finish lasts for years. For cabinet installations and furniture modifications, this delivers results that look like you have years of experience even on your first attempt. Wood carving rotary bit set. Hand carving takes forever. These 5 high-speed steel bits turn your rotary tool into a carving machine. The 3-blade design removes wood fast while staying cool. Sizes from 3 to 8 mm handle detailed work or aggressive shaping. Artists achieve professional sculpture results without mastering hand chisels. The universal 1/8-inch shaft fits all standard rotary tools. For the price, you get versatility and speed that traditional carving simply cannot match for detailed woodworking projects and artistic applications. PushPRO cut-resistant gloves. Workshop accidents happen instantly. These ANSI A9 gloves provide maximum cut protection with reinforced metal threading. The touchscreen-compatible nitrile coating maintains dexterity for detailed work. Contractors trust these for handling sharp materials, glass cutting, and metal work. The textured grip prevents tools from slipping during operations. One hand injury costs more in medical bills than these gloves. This is protection you wear every time you work with blades. Your hands are replaceable. Make this small investment in safety immediately. Staker multi-angle folding level. Standard levels fail on stairs, pipes, and angled work. This 28-inch folding level handles complex measurements with 4 precision vials and adjustable sections. Accuracy of 0.5 mm per meter means professional-grade installations. It folds into multiple configurations for corners and overhead work. Contractors save hours on challenging angle measurements. The aluminum construction survives job site conditions while maintaining precision. If your projects involve anything beyond straight lines, this tool eliminates guesswork and delivers accurate results in situations where regular levels are useless. When 6,530 electric hand planer, sanding thick would waste hours. This 6-amp planer makes 3 to 4,000 cuts per minute with 16 depth settings. The Rabbit Guide handles edge work and joinery details. It's lightweight for extended use but powerful for hardwoods. Dyers use this for door fitting, refinishing, and restoration work. You get smooth surfaces ready for finishing in minutes instead of hours of sanding. At this price, professional results become accessible. Whether flattening boards or smoothing rough lumber, this speeds up projects dramatically while delivering quality results. Bow Products Mini PushPRO Push Stick. Table saws cause devastating injuries. This push stick uses high-density EVA tips that safely deflect if they contact the blade, instead of shattering like plastic. The soft material won't scratch your workpiece while keeping hands safely away from danger. The reversible tip design doubles its lifespan. Professional shops keep multiple push sticks at every station as standard safety protocol. For the minimal cost, this protects your hands from life-changing accidents. Never make another cut without proper push stick protection in place. WICUC 90-degree corner clamps. Perfect corners separate amateur work from professional furniture. These for aluminum clamps guarantee exact 90-degree angles, with adjustable screws for different materials. Rubber handles provide secure grip and prevent slipping during assembly. They outlast plastic clamps by years of heavy use. Cabinet makers depend on these for glue-ups that stay square. One set handles multiple corners simultaneously. At this price, you eliminate gaps in crooked assemblies. Your first perfectly square project proves these clamps are essential for quality woodworking results. Rex Betty Multi-Purpose Scraper Set. Removing stickers, paint, and adhesive without surface damage requires the right scraper. This set includes 80 blades total, 30 metal for tough jobs and 50 plastic for delicate surfaces. 3-position locking gives perfect angle control. The sturdy construction handles aggressive scraping without bending. Restorers use these on glass, wood, ceramic, and metal successfully. Abundant blade supply means you always have sharp edges ready for cleaning and restoration work. This delivers professional capability at a fraction of specialized scraper costs, with maximum versatility. Klein Tools Digital Level. Traditional levels can't measure precise angles. This digital tool reads 0 to 90 and 0 to 180 degrees with magnetic V-groove base that grips metal surfaces. The auto-rotating high contrast screen stays readable in any position, even in dim lighting. Electricians use this for conduit bending and installers rely on it for exact angle work. It eliminates guesswork on complex installations. The magnetic base keeps it positioned hands-free during measurements. For precision angle work, this outperforms bubble levels with digital accuracy and versatility for professional quality. Installations. Milescraft Sanded Multi-Surface Block. Sanding irregular surfaces with flat blocks wastes time and gives poor results. This sanding block features for different profiles for flat, concave, convex, and corner surfaces. The Snap Block system changes sandpaper in seconds. It accepts universal quarter sheet sandpaper. One tool handles every sanding challenge instead of needing multiple blocks. Furniture restorers and woodworkers achieve smooth finishes on complex shapes efficiently. The ergonomic design reduces hand fatigue during extended sanding sessions. For the price, you get versatility that eliminates the need for specialty sanding tools. Milescraft TriGrips Triangle Supports. Painting or finishing projects while keeping surfaces accessible is frustrating. These for triangle supports elevate work 3 centimeters with minimal contact points. The non-slip base prevents shifting and the pyramid design provides stability in any position. Paint and stain don't pool because air circulates underneath. Finishers use these for cabinets, furniture, and detailed work requiring access to all edges. They're reusable and stackable for storage. No more newspaper or makeshift supports. These deliver clean professional finishing results without marks or smudges every time. Glittery Wax Canvas Tool Apron. Carrying tools back and forth wastes time and energy. This heavy-duty wax canvas apron features 9 pockets including magnetic compartments, phone slot, and hammer loop. The 20-ounce canvas resists water, dust, and wear. Adjustable cross-back straps distribute weight comfortably for all-day use. Carpenters and craftsmen keep essential tools accessible without constant trips to the toolbox. The wax finish adds durability and weather resistance. This keeps you organized and efficient while looking professional. Your tools stay protected and instantly accessible throughout every project. Craig Magnetic Stud Finder. Finding studs for secure mounting without a complicated electronic device is simpler than you think. This magnetic finder locates screws and nails in wall studs using the powerful magnets. It sticks to the wall so you can mark accurately. The built-in bubble level ensures straight installations. No batteries or calibration needed. Just slide it along the wall until it grabs metal. Contractors and dyers appreciate the simplicity and reliability. For hanging cabinets, shelves, or heavy items safely, this guarantees you hit solid framing every single time. Brutool Japanese Handsaw. Western saws push through wood causing binding and rough cuts. This Japanese pull saw uses SK5 high-carbon steel with dual-sided teeth. 17 teeth per inch for hardwood, 14 for softwood, both on one blade. The flexible design cuts on the pull stroke for better control and thinner curves. 3-edge teeth clear sawdust efficiently. Woodworkers achieve precise cuts with less effort than traditional saws. For detail work, joinery, and fine woodworking, this delivers accuracy that power tools can't match in tight spaces with remarkable control. FOXBC Carbide planer blades. Dull planer blades ruin projects with tear out and burn marks. This 10-pack of Carbide tipped blades fits 3 1/4-inch planers. Carbide stays sharp significantly longer than standard steel. The 80 by 5.5mm size is industry standard. Buying in bulk saves money and ensures you always have sharp blades ready. Woodworkers keep backup blades because changing them immediately when dull prevents damaged workpieces. At this price per blade, you can afford to swap them frequently for consistently smooth results without the high cost of individual replacements.